ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being such an amazing audience. A huge round of applause to all of you. I have to say that it is always a pleasure to watch these beautiful garments made by these beautiful men. Abu and Sandeep don't just design garments, they design jewelry that pose to be garments. Rightfully, this collection of theirs is called Inheritance. And I think if you do buy these garments, they are valid inheritance for all your children and grandchildren, because these are like heirloom pieces that you can really pass on. Walking today is more than just walking for fashion or walking for their immense glory. It's actually walking for a cause. And CPAA, that actually completes its 50 years, needs a huge round of applause for all the work that they've done for the last 5 decades tirelessly. Now, unfortunately, as we know, cancer is a looming reality and has, of course, plagued the world, and we've lost millions of people to this disease. I know, personally for me, I've lost even my father to this disease, and I know the kind of turbulence and the kind of hardships families across the world have gone through combating this. So the cure for this disease, which has come a long way in the world of medicine, truly is something that is admirable. And everyone who has worked towards actually making sure that people have the adequate funds, people who may not be affording, have the adequate funds to cure their loved ones, is something that CPAA works towards. And so all of you with deep pockets here, you know, we beseech you as members of the fraternity and fashion that please dig into those deep pockets and make sure that you can actually contribute to this immense cause. Because we all know that combating this disease is something that is the need of the hour, and every effort made in that direction will save a life. All of you responsible for that are sitting here, all you esteemed members of the audience. So all of us, on behalf of Sonam and Shweta and Abu and Sandeep, we really want to reach out to all of you, not only to your pockets, but even to your hearts. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an honor walking on this ramp.